Nullify. Natural cotton comfort, top woven layer of organic cotton for luxurious natural comfort. Waterproof protection, waterproof barrier made of safety-tested TPU-coated polyester. 100% waterproof layer protects against leaky messes. Secure fitted design, SecureStay full fitted stretch skirt helps prevent sliding and shifting for extra security. Snuggly fits USA standard full-size crib mattresses and toddler bed mattresses. Easy to clean, Easy Clean pad is machine washable and dryer friendly. Extensively wash and dry tested for quality and resiliency. Natural luxury, soft, quilted filling made from safety-tested polyester and recycled plastic bottles offers eco-friendlier comfort and softness. Help keep your baby's mattress and bedding fresh and clean with the Sealy Stain Protection Crib Mattress Pad, featuring repel and release stain-fighting technology. This exclusive Easy Clean technology allows stains, odors and germs to easily wash away, while a 100% waterproof barrier and quilted filling add extra protection and comfort for baby. SecureStay full-fitted stretch skirt helps prevent sliding and shifting for extra security. We recommend that new parents purchase 2 to 4 crib mattress pads, so you always have a fresh, dry pad on hand while the others are in the wash. Top reviews from the United States. I can finally sleep through the night. I purchased this product for my baby's crib to add some softness to his mattress. The mattress alone just felt way too hard, and while I understand this may be due to pediatric recommendations, my son would wake up constantly without a soft bed, padding to lay down on. I wasn't comfortable leaving him in his crib with a thicker blanket underneath him when he slept, so I began looking into other solutions. Putting multiple sheets just doesn't make any sense to me because they didn't add any extra comfort. I went ahead and purchased this, and so far, so good. It's got just enough padding and my little one is sleeping through the night. It's true that it absorbs liquids, so it does serve its intended purpose, but it also adds that extra comfort my little one needed to get some good sleep on what used to be a hard crib mattress.